Today we're here with touring artist, producer, and legendary jazz pianist Ben Dunnell to teach you the 3 jazz chord progressions that every pianist needs to know. The first chord I'm going to teach you is used when you go from the 1 chord to the 4 chord. You can use this progression over any song that goes from the 1 chord to the 4 chord. And what it is using the minor 5 chord, in this case G minor, then the F sharp major 7 chord, and then to the F. In jazz, we call this a tritone substitution. This is what it would look like in You Are My Sunshine. So on the part that we went to an F chord. Now, before I go to that, I'm going to use that G minor and then that F sharp major, or that F sharp 7th, then the F, and listen to how much more jazzy it sounds. The next chord I'm going to give you is a chord you can use when you're going to end a song and you want to kind of make it suspenseful or dreamy sounding. The chord we're going to be using is called a sharp 4 chord. It sounds a bit complicated, but all it is playing a D major chord over a C major chord. It sounds best when you play it broken in an arpeggio sense. The third tip I have for you is what's known as revoicing chords. A lot of the chords we play sound great on our own, and sometimes we don't know how to make them sound even better. Now, you may think that you need to add all these fancy notes and stuff, but what if I told you that all you had to do was rearrange the notes you're playing and you'd get way more chords? Let's look at a C major 7 chord. Something that you can try is take any note in that chord and move it up or down the octave. So I'm going to move the E to the top. Now I'm going to move the G to the top. And now I'm going to move the C to the top. So already we have a completely different sounding chord, and we didn't have to learn any new notes. My favorite voicing for this is the E, B, C, and G. You can use this chord anytime you're playing a C major chord. Now let's go over all 3 things we learned today. The G minor F sharp 7 transition, the revoicing, and the D over C sound. Let's put it all together and make something really pretty.
If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to learn more, click on this video over here.